In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Arabic numeric numbers in MS PowerPoint, whether you're working on a project that requires diverse language settings, or you're just interested in adding a unique flair to your slides. This simple guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have MS PowerPoint open on your computer. If you're already in the midst of a presentation, that's perfect. Now, as we move through these steps, you'll see just how straightforward the process is. We want to be thorough to ensure no step is overlooked. Begin by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up the search bar. In this space, type Region Settings and hit Enter. This might seem a bit unusual initially, but what we're doing here is configuring your computer to input numbers in the Arabic numeric system across all applications, not just PowerPoint. Once in the region settings, you'll find a link that says Additional Date, Time and Regional Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This link opens a window with more in-depth settings that affect how your computer processes and displays various information formats. Next, click the link that reads Change Date, Time or Number Formats. This link will guide you to a dialog box where you can tailor how numbers are displayed on your system. We're getting closer to the goal, so hang in there. Now in that box, look for the tab labelled Formats, and under it find the button marked as Additional Settings. Clicking on this will open up a new window. Here we have the ability to make the necessary changes to facilitate the use of Arabic numerics in your presentation. In this new window, you'll want to pay attention to the drop-down menu at the bottom. By default, this drop-down is set to Never. Here's a crucial step. Click the drop-down menu and change it from Never to Context. By selecting Context, you're telling your computer to display numbers in Arabic when the context implies it's necessary. Finally, to solidify your changes, click on Apply and then OK. These actions save your settings across your system, ensuring that the changes take effect immediately in your current presentation and any future ones. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your computer to input numbers using the Arabic numeric system in PowerPoint. This process, though slightly technical, opens up a whole new range of possibilities for your presentations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave any questions or comments you might have below, and happy presenting.